Welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video, I'll show you how to get louder volume from your Airpods. If you still haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe it and press bell icon. First of all, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, scrolling down and tap on Accessibility. Now here, find Audio Visual option under Hearing. Next, tap on it to open. Next here, in Balance section, make sure the small circle button is stable at the center. Because if circle button is stable at the left or right, then you can't get louder volume from your Airpods. So here, first trick is done. Now go for the second trick. First of all, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, tap on Battery option. Make sure your battery's low power mode is turned off. If battery's low power mode is turned on, then you can't get louder volume from Airpods. So that the low power mode is turned off. Second trick done here. Now we'll go for third trick. In this trick, first of all turn on Bluetooth. Guys, you can also check our website on any web browser. Now connect Airpods with your device. Tap on Bluetooth and check for your Airpods. Searching for it and then connect it. Next here, tap on Connect. Wait for connecting Airpods. After connecting your Airpods, check your Airpods charging and check your Airpods case charging. Then tap Done. Again launch the Settings app. And here, tap on Bluetooth. In Bluetooth, tap on eye icon next to your Airpods. Tap on Disconnect and forget this device. Again tap on Forget device. Please like this video. Now tap Turn off your Bluetooth and then tap Turn on. Again repeat the same process and connect your Airpods. After disconnect your Airpods, if you again connect it, then you will get more loud volume. So, to get more louder volume from your Airpods, first you have to disconnect your Airpods and then again it connect. So you will get more louder volume from your Airpods. Now here connected. Next, go to any music app and listen it. And enjoy more louder volume from your Airpods. That's all. I hope the video is helpful to you.